What is up, everyone? So in this video what we're going to be doing is installing side skirt extensions for the WRX. This is from variantaero.com. If you want to buy these exact ones, they'll be up soon. We have a couple of other options available already. But yeah, just first thing you want to do is jack up the car. Right here I have it jacked up on the rear diff right there. And if you're doing this by yourself, the easiest way would be to grab a jack stand like this. And so what you want to do is kind of like push it so there's a small gap like that, and then you're going to put the side skirt extension on top, between the jack stand and the side skirt, and then you're going to line up the edges here and then the front as well, and then how far you want it to stick out. When you're installing, always get a measuring tape and then see on the front or the back here and the front, and make sure it's even. Well, on these cars at least. Some cars they're going to be a little bit lopsided, but on the 22 WRX it's even. You want it to be even on both sides. So on this one I believe it's going to be about 1.5 inches on the back and the front. So easiest way to do this is look at the inner part right here. When it's lined up in here, you measure. Right here is 1.5 inches from the top down, and then that's how you know to start drilling it in. You just want to start with the very edge right here. Once you have the first screw in, I like to get it like pretty close to the edge. This specific one has holes, pre-drilled holes already, but a lot of them won't have pre-drilled holes, so you just want to mount it to like the most parallel surface to the ground. So I don't know if you noticed, but I did the one on the very edge here, and then I measured the front to make sure it matches the back here on how much it sticks out. And then once I got that, held it in place and screwed a spot in the middle there, making sure that this part stays flat. And then I did one in the front. And so now I'll just do the rest. If you don't have pre-drilled holes on yours, the goal is to get one about 1 inch from the edge of the back and the front, and then maybe put a screw every like 8 or so inches, and that's how you want to screw it in. So let's get the rest in. Just like that, you have your new side skirt extensions installed. These ones are just very subtle, give a little unique design. I left space here on the side as well as this side to add winglets if you wanted to. And then you have the Variant Aero logo right here, cut out of it. And then if we move on to the other side of the car, it's exactly the same but mirrored. So on the front here, you got the Variant Aero logo cut out. Well, that is it with the installation. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.